Hey everyone, how's it going today? I was just thinking about how aluminum is everywhere around us, right? From the bike you ride to the plane you fly in, it's all using different aluminum alloys. So today, let's talk about 4 common ones: 5052, 6061, 7075, and 2024. You might have heard these numbers before, but do you really know what makes each one special? Let's break it down together. First off, let's start with the 5052 alloy. It's part of the 5XXX series, which mainly uses magnesium and chromium. The 5052 has about 2.5% magnesium in it. What's cool about this one is that it's super resistant to seawater and chemicals. Imagine if you're building a boat or some parts that go into the ocean, this alloy won't rust away easily. Plus, it's really easy to work with. You can stamp it, bend it, weld it like it's nothing. And when you anodize it, the finish is way better than other alloys. That's why you see it in marine components, fuel tanks, and even pipelines. It's like the reliable workhorse for anything that needs to stand up to harsh environments. Then there's the 6061 alloy from the 6XXX series. This one's a mix of aluminum, magnesium, and silicon. It's heat treatable, which means you can make it stronger by heating it up. The best thing about 6061 is that it's balanced. It's not the strongest, not the most corrosion resistant, but it does everything pretty well. Think of it as the all-rounder. You'll find it in industrial profiles, machinery, construction, transportation, and even electronics. Like, if you need a structural frame for a building or a part for your car, 6061 is probably the first choice. It's just so versatile. Now, let's move on to the 7075 alloy. This is from the 7XXX series, which uses zinc and magnesium. The 7075 has 5.6% zinc and 2.5% magnesium. Wait, you might be thinking, zinc in aluminum? Yeah, and when you treat it with T6, its strength gets close to steel. Can you believe that? A metal that's light like aluminum but strong like steel. That's why it's used in ultra-high load applications like aircraft landing gear. But here's the catch, it's not great at resisting corrosion, so you have to be careful where you use it. But for things that need maximum strength without the weight, 7075 is the way to go. Last but not least, the 2024 alloy from the 2XXX series. This one's all about copper, 3 to 5% of it. When you treat it with T4, it can reach a tensile strength of 500 megapascals. That's really strong. It's perfect for aircraft structural parts like wings and fuselages. But wait, it has some downsides too. It's not easy to weld, so you have to use rivets instead. And it's not corrosion resistant at all, so you need to do some surface treatment to protect it. Oh, and they often use it in alclad form coated with pure aluminum layers. That way, the core is strong and the surface is protected from rust. Let me recap a bit. The 5052 is for corrosion resistance and easy fabrication. 6061 is the balanced all-rounder. 7075 is the super strong one for high-stress jobs. And 2024 is the go-to for aircraft parts that need to handle a lot of tension. Each of these alloys has its own strengths and weaknesses, right? It's like choosing the right tool for the job. You wouldn't use a hammer to screw in a nail, and you wouldn't use 7075 if you need something that doesn't corrode. Another thing to remember is the temper, like T6 treatment for 7075 and 6061 makes them stronger, while H32 for 5052 is strain-hardened. These treatments change the properties a lot. So when you're picking an alloy, you have to consider not just the base material but also how it's processed. Oh, and let's talk about corrosion again. The 5052 is great at resisting it, but 7075 and 2024 are not. That's why 2024 is often clad with pure aluminum. It's like giving it a protective jacket. And 7075 might need some kind of coating if it's going to be exposed to the elements. It's all about balancing strength and protection. Alright, that's it for today. I hope you learned something new about aluminum alloys. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's another alloy you want to hear about. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.